Hello everyone, my name is Ülker Abdullayeva. Today we are going to talk about lengths and units of length. What is length? Length is a physical quantity. It shows how long and how short an object is. For example, the length of road, or a room, or a pencil. In simple words, length means how long something is. The SAA unit of length is a meter. We write it as m. There are also other units of length: kilometer, centimeter, millimeter. 1 kilometer equal 1000 meters. 1 meter equal 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeters. We use kilometer for long distance, like roads. We use meter for objects like a room or a board. We use centimeter and millimeter for small objects like a pen or eraser. To measure length, we use a measuring tape and a ruler. For example, the length of the pencil 5 centimeters. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.